Welcome to Luxoid, where you get to explore the exemplification of the great state of comfort and extravagant living. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you won't miss any video from us. Welcome to 432 Park Avenue in the heart of New York City. We are currently at the top of this skyscraper, which is one of the tallest in the world, on floor 96 of 96. It costs $169 million and has 6 complete bedrooms, a library, 7 complete bathrooms, and 2 powder rooms. Nothing else in the world is like it. I am really excited to show you this unique item. We therefore have many sites to visit. Let's go this way. There are only a few full-floor apartments in 432 Park, which is one of the things that really draw people's attention to this house. The only floor that was intended to be a truly full floor was the top floor, which is the one we are currently on. And as a result, you receive several wonderful advantages. You have a 93-foot-long living and dining room. This whole space here is unencumbered by bathrooms, walls, or closet space. And you've got these massive 10-foot by 10-foot windows. This unit as a full floor has 24 of these full windows, which means we have 240 feet of linear glass with 360-degree views around New York City. We can start here in the living room. The ceiling height is 12 feet 6 inches. We have huge views of the south, and you've got this great open space. This penthouse has been completely redesigned, from this couch to the Hermes pillows, to this rug and this piano. This piano is custom built specifically for this penthouse. At the other end of the living room, we have our grand dining space. And you're going to walk by a lot of them, so we might as well talk about it. What makes these windows so impressive is that you're looking out over the Queensboro Bridge. All the towers in Manhattan that you look up at here look like itty-bitty toys because we are so high. Then you've got these window seats, which I think are really cool. If we look down at that baby building, what's that little one down there? Oh, the Chrysler Building. It's pretty awesome. We now go to the front yard. It's a little park in the center of Central Park. Here, you can see it from the entire northern side of the building because we're so high. I love this huge dining room set with this insane chandelier. And again, all of these are included. Let's take a look at this breakfast bar and this kitchen. Could you imagine just waking up before you go to work and having a cup of coffee with that view? You can tell the weather up here as it's rolling in. The views are so incredible. The kitchen is extra wide with all top-of-the-line appliances and top cabinetry. Also, this is a mirror that also doubles as a TV. It will turn on so you can watch the news in the morning. Again, you've got another big view here. Now, some people might say, okay, we've got these huge big pieces of glass, but how do you get any fresh air? That's what I'm gonna show you. You actually have windows that you can open so you can get fresh air. So you walk into the primary suite here and you've got massive Central Park views looking all the way up north. But then, I actually like this view looking down on Billionaires Row. When you're here at night, the sunset views here are wild because you're so high. Like you're watching the sun literally curve around the top of the earth and go down to the horizon. It's kind of an unreal sight to see. Another thing this building is really famous for is the egg tub in the park. This is a floating tub with a 10-foot by 10-foot window in a marble-clad bathroom with wall-to-wall gorgeous stone that is all vein matched with this view. Then, in the other bathroom in this suite, you've got the floating glass shower with this view. You're in the shower here. You'll have wall-to-wall glass looking out at the sun, setting over the Hudson River. These are carved oval sinks out of stone. This is all in one piece, you'll notice, in all the bathrooms. All of this had to come up here. You're 1,000 feet in the air, and it's as quiet and as serene as if you weren't. Going down this hallway, we've got another powder room, laundry, another massive bedroom, an ensuite, and tons of closets. Then we've got 3 more bedrooms in this corridor here, but I want to take you to my second favorite bedroom. All the ceilings are high everywhere in the entire apartment. You have just less than 13 feet. It is move-in ready. You don't even have to think. Then, you've got this amazing corner exposure. And if we were here at night, it is like mind-blowing. Also, we've got our 7th bedroom that has been turned into a den. Because you're on the top floor, we've got a fireplace, and I love the vibe in here too. It's a little moody. We've got these guitars on the walls that come with a sale, great furniture. The furniture is all Bentley, Fendi, and Hermes. And you've got this dead center view right down the middle of Manhattan. You also have a full staff that takes care of anything you could ever need. You don't even have elevator buttons in this building. They know who you are and where you're going. The security here is unlike anything I've ever seen. There's a full-time concierge, there's a massive garage, there's a 75-foot pool, and the list goes on and on and on. This would work well for a family, as a pied-à-terre, or for a group of people who have recently won money in cryptocurrencies and want to make a statement. This is the Penthouse at 432 Park Avenue once more. It is a true marvel, not just in New York City, but also anywhere. Its 8,255 square feet are made up of 240 feet of linear glass all around, 6 bedrooms, 7 full bathrooms, and 2 powder rooms. And it has been amazing to show it to you. How did you find this incredible penthouse in New York City? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thank you in advance for your feedback. I am Miss Luxurious signing off for now. Do not forget to visit our YouTube luxury channel, Luxoid, to explore the exemplification of the great state of comfort and extravagant living.